Hi, this is from Source University. This is a job opening for the technology Azure Devops engineer for the company New Global Technologies. The experience need is 1 to 6 years. The location will be Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Pune. And the education must be any graduate. The second technology is Azure Data Engineer for the company Prokarma Softech Pvt Ltd. We are looking for 4 to 7 years of experience candidate and the location is Bangalore. The experience as a data engineering in Azure Big Data environment, programming experience in Scala SQL, hands-on experience in Azure Stats. And qualification must be BE, BTech or MTech and experience there is four. And the third technology is Azure Lead. For the company Maveric System Limited, the experience needed 7 to 10 years. The location is Chennai, Pune, Bangalore. And the roles and responsibilities are ensure that the system design adheres to solution architecture design, that is high-level conceptual design. And the desired candidate profile must have expert-level knowledge on Azure Stack, strong experience in Azure ecosystem such as Azure Data Factory, and qualification must be BE or BTech. And the fourth technology is Azure Data Factory, the company Big Four company. The experience must be 5 to 10 years. The location is Bangalore. The responsibilities must have developer should have 4 to 10 years of experience as a developer in Azure, hands-on development experience in Azure Stack, such as Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Lake, and SQL DBA and Pyspark, and knowledge in setting up data lake and data factory solution. Hands-on experience on SQL performance tuning. And the qualification must be BE, BTech. And the fifth technology is SQL Data Administrator for the company Gainwell Technologies. They are looking for 2 to 3 years of experience candidate and the location is Bangalore. The key responsibility with the basic qualification must be bachelor's degree in computer science management, information system or related field preferred, and 3 or more year of experience in database design, development and maintenance. And the education must be any graduate. The link will be given in the video description so you can apply for these jobs. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.